Hello, just Nancy, just I have given
Yes, sir.
note to collection of statistical data in the last
Yes,
lecture.
yes, sir.
Everybody has got it, Monica?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Basically, collection of statistical data is very important for the hospitals. Basically, what I have discussed, it was in very short, which I discussed in the notes on the basis of a epidemiological study. Now, collection of statistical data is very important for every hospitals. Where what type of collection of statistical data? One thing I'm just giving some summarized explanation which I have given to you. Just listen properly, and then I will ask. You have to be prepared yourself to give the answers. In hospitals, what type of statistical data is required and how it is to be maintained, and what kinds of the statistical data is important for the every hospital, because the statistical data is very important. Just give the current situation of the hospitals. Also, it is important what happened in the hospitals, and very important what will be happened in the hospitals. So you have to keep in mind, and you try to just akriti and keep it in your mind ki what may be. You just, when I after discussion of it, then I'll give explanation as well as discussion in detail as far as hospital collection of statistical data is concerned. What I have given in a
Good morning,
note,
sir.
just I'm just telling you, just listen the notes which has been given previously, and just you form what is the conclusion of the notes which I told you in the last lecture. But I'm just telling and reading too. In any field of inquiry, listen to me, सब लोग सुन रहे हैं? क्यों
Yes,
भाई?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Be very careful. Yes, I will ex- explain in detail. That's why you have to be very careful what I say. In any field of inquiry or investigation, data is the first collected, which is subsequently classified, analyzed, and tested for accuracy by a statistical method. तो बाय स्टेटिकल मेथड मतलब ये है कि अगर कोई भी जांच हो, कोई भी इंक्वायरी हो, तो उसमें सबसे पहले वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर एवरी हॉस्पिटल, स्पेशली फॉर द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटर ऑफ द हॉस्पिटल, what the statistical statement which is was happened, and what is the current position of the statistical data. Just I give the example of you, what is the bed occupancy at this moment, what was the bed occupancy before, and what will be the occupancy in future. This is only the method to know if there any information and statistical data is correct, accurate, and accurate and adequate. Very important is the adequate. Because if the information is not adequate, the what the statistical information after analysis, that will be not a correct as should be. Basically, accuracy for a statistical method data obtained directly from the individual is called primary data. मैंने पहले भी बोला था कि in epidemiology when you are just discussing it and just as per the health information also related with the matter is directly just collected from the individual one. अगर किसी से डायरेक्ट उससे ही पूछे, व्यक्ति से पूछे, व्यक्ति विशेष से पूछो, तो जो भी हमें इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है वो किस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, वो प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन होती है, प्राइमरी डेटा होता है। ठीक है, और समझ में आया भाई सबको? हेलो
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
हाँ मनीषा सुन रही हो?
जी सर।
हेलो
जी सर सुन रही हूँ।
हाँ, तो जो इंडिविजुअल से इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं तो वो प्राइमरी डेटा कहलाता है। एग्जाम्पल इज दिस, the census of 1991. After that, I think a census was not done so far. That census, how the census is done, because it is a matter of just go to the door to door and collect the individual information from home to home. Because just you are, मैं जरा पूछ रहा हूँ कि इंडिविजुअल इंफॉर्मेशन के लिए डोर टू डोर, होम टू होम क्यों जाना पड़ता है? बताएं नैन्सी। नैन्सी
Yes, sir, बता रही। सर इसके लिए डोर टू डोर इसलिए जाना पड़ता है क्योंकि वो सर जो इंडिविजुअली डाटा है वो होम टू होम मिल सकता है ना, हर पर्सन से वहाँ जाके जब पता करेंगे तो वहां से ज्यादा प्रॉपरली पता चल सकेगा।
Basically, as far as I discussed, as far as individual information is concerned, that become the primary data. ठीक है, which were done in during the census of 1991 is an example of collecting primary data relating to the populations. Right? The collection of data about the health and sickness of population is a primary data. The data collected from outside source is called secondary data. Just I discussed, I think I told you, and giving the idea to also. When any patient gets in the hospital, gets admission in the hospital for the treatment, what information have been collected by the doctors under whom the patient is treated? Doctors are his team. Are their teams? Whenever say doctors, whenever using the word, there are so many specialties in the hospitals. If a patient is admitted any specialty, maybe just I think given that just medical college or something where is several specialty as a super specialty, no doubt the doctors are many and patient can get any information. So a team can collect, just I telling you as per medical college is Kanpur, JR2, not a Kanpur, it is for all medical colleges. I'm just, because I worked in medical college Kanpur, that's why the name of that comes in my tips. So basically the junior doctors if collected the information by the doctor as per the his complaint, his symptomatic changes, his problem, complications. These are the all the information which is collected in the hospital by the junior doctor is the primary data. And this is the word that because the doctors directly ask to the patient who has admitted for the treatment. Like in as far as the secondary data is concerned, all the record which has been by, yes, you can say the nursing care, because as just I told you, हेलो काजल, काजल,
सॉरी सर।
गुड
वेट
मॉर्निंग।
करो। गुड
सुनाई दे
मॉर्निंग
रहा
सर।
है?
यस सर।
हम्म, मैं just I'm discussing the as per the patient what is the primary data, what is the secondary data. Are you also listening to me? Yeah, as per the in the hospital, the collected information by individual patient by the doctor concerned, that will be the primary data. And other type of information which is collected from the nursing staff, pathological reports, and radiological report, that they are maybe the secondary data. Because as far as I discussed, the very important thing is for medical college and especially for the patient. The provisional diagnosis, as I told her, it is on the basis of symptomatic changes which has the patient had himself at the time of admission, and complication which had been told on the basis of that, as well as the clinical examination by the doctors under whom the patient is admitted, makes a provisional diagnosis. Lekin as per the secondary and confirmed diagnosis is concerned, it is only possible with the help of clinical examination as well investigation which has been done by the radiologist and pathologist. And after that, some of the doctors made an idea for final diagnosis. So I think just you are come to the point. As far as the treatment is started with the two information, that is the primary data as well as the secondary data. Those are information which is collected from other sources, that become the secondary, and primary sources directly with the information given by the patient in the hospital is the primary. So primary and secondary, both information are very important for the hospital, because any program can be done on the basis of medical and hospital aesthetics is concerned, and it is done by other. Yes, I am just after going at the something with the explanation, they will go in detail as far as what I am teaching today. It's very important, because no doubt what is the medical care, how it should be done, but as per how the medical care can be evaluated on the basis of medical and hospital aesthetics, it is very important. And I think as you have to know all the things what the important of this, and when you understand the importance of this hospital aesthetic, a collection of aesthetical data, then you will also be more knowledgeable just to help to the administrator of the hospitals. Right? आगे ये है. Secondly, we are studying the hospital records. You are a student of the hospital records, and we are studying or just discussing as a medical record. Medical records, I discussed so many times, the medical records are nothing. It is medical care which is documented. And whenever I use the word medical record, you have to pay your attention towards the medical care which is provided by the doctor concerned in the hospital. समझ में आया भाई? क्यों भाई?
यस सर।
मन का?
यस सर।
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आया? So just
Yes, sir.
primary data gives the precise information wanted, which is the secondary data may not give. प्राइमरी डेटा जो देता है वो कैसा है, कम छोटे से में इंफॉर्मेशन देता है, और सेकेंडरी इंफॉर्मेशन बिल्कुल नहीं देती. भी अगर एक बार कलेक्ट कर ली तो उसमें पहले प्राइमरी में वो कंसाइज है, उससे मतलब सॉल्व नहीं होगा जो इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई है प्राइमरी. सेकेंडरी दोबारा मिलती नहीं, अगर मिलती है तो देन आप टू गो सीरियसली एज पर द डिपार्टमेंट कंसर्न, यू हैव कलेक्टेड द इंफॉर्मेशन. ठीक है, तो आप जरा मुझे बता दें, मन का आप बताएं, प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन कंसाइज कहते हैं और सेकेंडरी इंफॉर्मेशन बिल्कुल इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं देते एट द टाइम स्टेटिकल व्हेन वी आर एवेल्युएटिंग द मेडिकल स्टैटिक या हॉस्पिटल स्टैटिक। बताएं मन का, आप बताएं क्यों प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन
yes.
शॉर्ट में होता है और सेकेंडरी इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है।
जैसे प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन शॉर्ट में होती है सर क्योंकि इंडिविजुअल से लेते हैं तो फिर मतलब सर जिसको जितना पता होता है उस हिसाब से वो बताता है।
तो इंफॉर्मेशन जो
तो
प्राइमरी
मतलब
इंफॉर्मेशन,
यस सर, प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन में चांसेस ऑफ एरर्स भी हो सकते हैं।
प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन में एरर हो सकती,
यस सर।
तो कैसे?
So maybe the person is telling a lie or something.
परसेंटेज परसेंटेज
Sir, telling a lie.
अच्छा, एंड सेकेंडरी इंफॉर्मेशन में नहीं मिलती इंफॉर्मेशन, वो कैसे?
So नहीं मिलती information. I didn't get it.
Second is no doubt at the time of evolution as some statistical ellipsis is concerned, secondary data will not be available at that time. So no information is given by the secondary data. ठीक है, समझे?
Sure. Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ओके। नैन्सी आप बताएं अपने समझो,
Yes, sir.
why
Thank
the
you, sir.
primary data is very important rather than secondary data? मनीषा, नैन्सी बताएं प्राइमरी डेटा इंपॉर्टेंट है सेकेंडरी डेटा से क्यों?
सर प्राइमरी डाटा जो है सर वो सर एक्सक्यूज मी
हेलो।
सर जो प्राइमरी डाटा है वो सर हमें जाके मतलब सर लोगों से मिलता है, हमें लोगों से कलेक्ट करना पड़ता है उनकी हेल्थ और उनकी बीमारियों के बारे में। तो सर सेकेंडरी डाटा जो होता है सर वो हॉस्पिटल के रिकॉर्ड्स में होता है, और जब हॉस्पिटल में रिकॉर्ड मेंटेन हो रहे हैं तो सर वो तो सर पता होगा ना कि सर पेशेंट को क्या प्रॉब्लम है, उस हिसाब से हो रहा है। बट सर जाके लोगों से हमें मतलब सर्वे करके उनके बारे में जानना सर इसलिए इम्पोर्टेंट है कि सर पता चल सके कि कौन सी बीमारी कहाँ है और लोग कैसे उससे वो कर रहे हैं, तो हम उनको जागरूक कर सकें, उसको लेके उन्हें बता सकें। सर इसलिए प्राइमरी डाटा इम्पोर्टेंट।
मैं जस्ट आई टेल यू, मैं बता रहा हूँ कि प्राइमरी डेटा जो है, चूंकि डायरेक्ट अगर पेशेंट हॉस्पिटल में है तो प्राइमरी डेटा हम डायरेक्ट पेशेंट से लेते हैं, और पेशेंट जो जिस समय भर्ती होता है ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, वो कोशिश करता कि सही सही डॉक्टर्स को बता दें, जिससे डॉक्टर्स बीमारी समझ सके आफ्टर द क्लिनिकल एग्जामिनेशन। तो जो वो इंफॉर्मेशन डॉक्टर को देता है वो बहुत ही रिलायबल होती है, और जब रिलायबल और सेकेंडरी डेटा, वी हैव टू एनालाइज द थिंग what is all the thing about the quality of information as per secondary data is concerned have been obtained। ठीक है, तो इसलिए प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज द प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन जैसा आई डिस्कस, द प्राइमरी इंफॉर्मेशन विच इज given by the patient is very important, because as far as the hospital is concerned, as far as the legal point is concerned, primary information is very complete, adequate, because whenever I say advocacy is concerned, doctor can ask whatever are live with the patient when his patient is getting the history of the patient at that time. So doctor can be satisfied after getting the information, and he will be prepared just for the physical examination which is done by the doctor concerned under whom the patient is treated. So just I telling you, primary information is more important rather than secondary. So no doubt secondary information is important, but it will be evaluated statically। ठीक है, तो ये तो जो था वो आई डिस्कस एंड गिवन द लास्ट, आई मीन द लास्ट पीरियड आई डिस्कस दिस ऑल। आप थोड़ा सा, मनीषा आप समझ गई?
यस सर।
मनीषा?
जी सर समझ गई। जी सर समझ गई।
अच्छा ठीक है, अब मैं आपको नोट्स दे रहे हैं, बहुत समझ के धीरे धीरे मैं बताऊंगा भी। एंड बट जस्ट आई वांट टू डिस्कस दिस टाइम as a collection of statistical data is very important, because It is a very short. I think you will not just can understand the importance of it, and when the detailed information which I teach you, you can also be able to just note what the significance of this hospital collection of historical data, the hospital, and who does this. This is very important for you. I will discuss in detail. Please note down what I speak. ठीक है, जो मैं बोल रहा हूँ सब लोग लिखेंगे. सुनिए भाई.
यस सर.
आकृति काजल.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
अब हाँ, आकृति क्या पूछ रही?
कुछ नहीं सर.
आकृति कुछ पूछ रही हैं?
नो
No,
सर.
sir.
ठीक है. हेडिंग आप वही डालेंगे, कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिकल डाटा. ठीक है, डालिए कलेक्शन ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिकल डेटा.
यस सर.
हेलो.
जी सर डालिए.
अच्छा ठीक है, अब लिखिए मीनिंगफुल स्टैटिस्टिक्स on the professional work performed in the hospital.
सर रिपीट कर दीजिए. मीनिंगफुल स्टैटिस्टिक्स
On the professional work performed, PERFORMED, performed in the hospital are necessary in order for a hospital management. For a hospital management and the governing board to exercise proper control for 2 days. Past office said 2 days operations.
So 2 days.
2 days operations, and to plan adequately for the future. हाँ मनीषा, आप पढ़ें जो मैंने बोला है.
यस सर. यस सर.
हम्म.
सर मीनिंगफुल statistics on the professional work performed in the hospital are necessary in order for hospital management and governing board to exercise proper controls to days operations to plan adequately for the future.
हेलो.
सर पढ़ लिया.
पढ़ लिया?
यस सर.
हाँ. For the future, the meaningful statistics on professional work performed in the hospital are necessary in order for hospital management and the governing board to exercise proper control for 2 days operation. 2 days operations की आज जो होना है उनके लिए हमारे पास स्टैटिस्टिकल इंफॉर्मेशन होगी, तभी हम आज के लिए तैयार होंगे कि व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. Because as per the statistical hospital statistics is not here. Just I give the example of hospital statistics. How many patients are admitted today? It can be known by the hospital statistics. How many patients were admitted yesterday? It is known by the hospital statistics. How many patients were admitted and discharged? It can be known after getting the hospital statistics. So what you have to do, these all the information it is statically done, and when we know the positions of today, then we can plan for today as for tomorrow. So now you are understanding what the importance of the hospital statistics at this moment which I am discussing today, and that's why I want to just discuss in detail that you can. That's why you can understand the importance of hospital statistics, because hospital statistics is related with the two things. What type of hospital statistics, what type of hospital information is required in the hospital. Suppose you are in the any hospital, maybe the nursing home you can say, because whenever I say the hospital, the, what type of information are collected, किस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट की जाती हैं अगर हॉस्पिटल में. थोड़ा सा दिमाग लगाइए, मैंने इसीलिए कहा यू जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक दैट यू आर इन द हॉस्पिटल, and if not in the hospital, then you can just plan yourself what type of information is collected in the nursing home or other hospitals. ठीक है, बताएं आप आकृति किस तरह की इंफॉर्मेशन मेंटेन की जाती है हॉस्पिटल में.
सर स्टैटिस्टिकल इंफॉर्मेशन मेंटेन करी जाती है कि आज जैसे कि टुडे आज को सोच के कि आज के स्टैटिस्टिक्स की आज की बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी रेट क्या है, आज क्या जरूरत है, आज की क्या क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है, आज को देख के और आज कितने एडमिशन्स हुए और कल कितने एडमिशन्स होंगे, इनकी सारी स्टैटिस्टिक्स बना के बात करना.
बस हॉस्पिटल स्टेट मन का आप बताएं और कौन सी स्टैटिक्स मेंटेन की जाती है हॉस्पिटल में.
So concerned with the number of beds, number of patients visited, and so there are many. That how many.
These are the hospital statistics. और दूसरी कौन सी जो इम्पोर्टेंट स्टैटिक्स है उसे आप सब लोग बोल रहे हो. कोई बता पाएगा? मनीषा, नैन्सी, काजल, दूसरी कौन सी स्टैटिक्स मेंटेन की जाती है?
The governing board.
The number of patients.
मनीषा आप बोल रही हैं?
Sir, yes, sir. The number of patients.
Media, just I am asking you what type of information. First हो गया statistical information related to medical statistics. Another information which is collected, very important. I think you have go and just you if you think about, you can get the answer very easily.
Sir, management information.
Sir, management and governing
management information.
मैनेजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन. काजल आप क्या बोल रहे हो?
Management and governing board information. Both are the collected for professional work performed to statistics.
क्यों भाई नैन्सी आप क्या कह रहे हो?
Yes, sir.
ऐसी इंफॉर्मेशन कौन सी इम्पोर्टेंट है?
बताती हूँ.
As the administrator of the hospital.
Yes, sir. Sir, डाल दीजिए. डबल. Sir, standard of service excellence, future outcomes, quality improvement. और डाल दीजिए, और डाल दीजिए.
जस्ट मुझे ट्वेल्व में ये बताएं कि कौन सी इंफॉर्मेशन दूसरी होती है नैन्सी.
यस सर, थोड़ा सा और डाल दीजिए. सर क्या कह रहे हैं?
हॉस्पिटल स्टैटिस्टिक्स, मेडिकल स्टैटिस्टिक्स है. दूसरी कौन सी?
मेडिकल Sir, quality improvement and standard of service excellence
अच्छा मैं बताता हूँ
establishing
दूसरे
benchmark.
हाँ नैन्सी मैं बता रहा हूँ
Okay.
दूसरी very important thing for every hospital as far as nursing is very important, that is the financial statistics. No doubt that there are two type of statistics. One is the financial statistics. The second is the hospital and medical statistics. No doubt we are concerning the medical statistics because as far as what the in the big hospital everything is done. If the medical record department is done, it can be done. It is usually done by the medical record officer if the department is there. And otherwise, a big hospital they engage the hospital statistics, yeah, hospital statistician just to do this work. लेकिन as far as the financial statistics is कि कितने बेड रहे, कितने प्राइवेट थे, कौन सा रूम था, कितने दिन रहा, ये सारी चीजें हैं. Without the financial statistics, the quality of treatment cannot be given because the financial statistics may be in the government hospital too. What the how many persons, how many doctors, how many nurses, how many paramedical staff, how many allied services are concerned. Just like how many radiologists, how many pathologists, another person in working. Because they are very important. What is the just these are depends because they are only paid all the things because financial status is very essential. But financial status is done by hospital is paid by the accounts department. But that accounts officer is responsible. Yeah, accounts department is sufficient. I am not discussing every hospital as the accounts officer, but it is a financial matter. It can be done by a accounts department. As per hospital statistics and medical statistics is concerned, it is done by the medical record officer, not your, but it can be done in out of the country too. Because as far as just know, it is very important for the medical record officer. If the hospital statistics is correct and adequate, complete and form, no doubt that will be more reliable information for the hospital administrator too. So you have to pay your attention. As per the hospital statistics is concerned, what the mortality rate, occupancy rate, how many patients have been discharged, how many patients have been admitted. These are the hospital statistics, or you can say the medical statistics. And you are concerning with the medical statistics, especially not for financial statistics, because it is just department is another. No doubt it is a very important for the administrator of the hospital. Financial statistics is very essential rather than medical statistics. Both are both financial statistics and hospital statistics both are very important for the administrator of the hospital. And just I told you, as per these all the rich information, if have been collected by the administrator of the hospital, he may be the good administrator. And the quality of the medical treatment is concerned also depends of the rich information which is collected by our administrator, the good administrator, because financial estate already with them to the department concerned where it is done. ठीक है. अब आप समझ में कि दो तरीके की स्टैटिक्स कौन है, आगे मैं बोल रहा हूं. ठीक है, समझ में भाई आया? कुछ पूछना है? हेलो.
No, sir.
No, sir. No, sir.
क्लियर है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
आगे
sir.
लिखिए. कहां तक लिखा है?
Sir, adequately for the future. Sir, adequately for the future.
फ्यूचर.
Yes,
अच्छा. आगे लिखें. यूज इन दिस मैनर, used, USED used in this manner, they are vital.
सर इसी में लिखना है.
कंटिन्यू करिए और क्या. लिखा?
Yes,
मन का लिखा?
यस सर।
हम्म। काजल?
यस सर, लिख लिया।
हम्म। Used in this manner, they are a vital medium of effective hospital administration, of effective hospital administration and become especially especially
Excuse me, sir.
and become especially valuable when expanding hospital care. Full stop. लिख लिया भाई सबने?
यस सर।
रिपीट कर दीजिए।
रिपीट करते हैं। अच्छा, यूज इन दिस मैनर they are vital medium of effective hospital administration and become especially valuable when expanding hospital care.
ओके सर, हो गया।
हो गया?
यस
अब
सर।
आगे पहले मैं ये पैराग्राफ करूंगा तब फिर समझाता हूँ।
ओके
ठीक
सर।
है?
ओके सर।
The reports of professional performance also greatly aid greatly aid the medical staff in evaluating their own work. Full stop. They provide material for discussion at medical staff conference. At medical staff conferences लिख लीजिएगा, and for teaching. And for teaching. Full stop. Have I written all of you? क्यों भाई सबने लिख लिया?
एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए इसको भी।
रिपीट।
यस सर, एक बार
द
रिपीट कर।
रिपोर्ट्स आप सुनिए, धीरे धीरे सुनिएगा। The reports of professional performance also greatly aid means sahayata the medical staff in evaluating their own work. Full stop. They provide material for discussion at medical staff conferences and for teaching. ठीक है?
यस
सब लोगों
सर।
ने लिख लिया?
यस
हेलो?
सर। यस सर, लिख लिया सबने।
आगे लिखे हैं दे आर also used in compiling reports for accrediting agencies and for national, comma, state and community agencies.
Sir, for national,
National, comma, state and community agencies. मन का पढ़िए आप, क्या लिखा है बाद में हमने।
Yes, so they are also used in compiling reports for accrediting agencies and for national, state, and community agencies.
हाँ, तो कम्युनिटी एजेंसीज। नाउ जस्ट आई वांट टू डिस्कस यू कि what I have discussed before, and now I will discuss what I have given the point to you, because it just no doubt as far as the hospital statistics is concerned, I have just so far I have not given so importance as per the medical and hospital statistics is concerned, because it is by meanwhile in the epidemiological study. But now, what is the mention in epidemiology? I have given the notes to you. But the things which I am dictating today is it is just in medical science, medical care, for medical care. Because it just when if I discuss in as far as the statistics is concerned in epidemiology, so there are the two things, two motto of this. First, a motto of epidemiologists, and after the study of epidemiologists, what may be information, what may be the treatment can be given on the basis of by the clinical person or clinical doctors. So important is this, ये जो medical stage ये purely it is a for the clinical department concerned with the patient. But whenever I say, whenever talk about the hospital, in every hospital you get only the medical statistics related to the medical care of the person who got the admission in the hospital for treatment by the doctor. And as far as the financial, no doubt, just I told you that the hospital administrator is a hospital is very curious, anxious, just to need day to do the hospital static as well as the financial static. Because due to the financial statistics and medical statistics, you can plan for future. What happened in the hospital, it can also be evaluated from the financial and hospital which is available to him. But as far as medical care is concerned, in the medical care, it is very important for the hospital administrator as well as the doctor concerned who treated the patient in the hospital. And no doubt, what medical care is given by the doctors in the hospital to the patient, it is recorded. And when the recorded, it means the recorded, documented medical care is there, which can you get the information from the patient bed ticket. So these are the only the things the medical statistics. Thus, as per the case sheet is concerned, it is a primary data which is mentioned in that bed ticket. And other sources, other department, that is secondary data. So primary data and secondary data both are important for medical statistics. And after that evaluation, just I am told you okay, what sort of a medical statistics is. For today, भी I say, तो सबसे बड़ी बात ये कि कितने मरीज भर्ती हुए, कल कितने मरीज हॉस्पिटल में थे, आज की डेट में कितने मरीज हैं। ये कैसे पता लगेगा कि कल जो मरीज भर्ती हुए थे आज जो मरीज छुट्टी हो गई है सुबह, अगर उन्हें कम कर देंगे और नए मरीज जो आज भर्ती हुए उनको जोड़ देंगे तो हमें बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी को आज जस्ट आई गिव यू इन नेक्स्ट चैप्टर, बट इट जस्ट यू नो व्हाट द बेड ऑक्यूपेंसी आई एम टेलिंग इन शॉर्ट। मरीज कितने भर्ती हैं, तो कल के जो है मरीज आज कितने डिस्चार्ज हुए, कल कितने भर्ती हुए, टोटल कल वाले मरीज में आज जोड़ देंगे और आज वाले मरीज जो डिस्चार्ज उन्हें घटा देंगे। मतलब ये करंट पोजीशन हॉस्पिटल में मरीजों को पता लग जाएगी। फिर कौन मरीज गया, किसका मरीज गया, मेडिकल साइड का था, ऑर्थोपेडिक साइड था, गायनिक्स का था, ये दीज आर दी ऑल द मेडिकल स्टैटिक्स। इट इज डन बाय द every department every day, because if it is not done properly, then current position of medical estate or medical hospital estate cannot be done. But these are the important statistics is compiled by the medical record officer. Now you can understand, as far as the medical record officer is concerned, he has to do very responsible job which is allotted by the administrator or board of director of the hospital concerned. Now you can understand what is the importance of medical record officer. You can understand. Without medical record officer, trained medical record officer, whenever I say medical record officer, that should be trained. As far as these all the information, because a quality of record cannot be maintained without a qualified medical record officer. And these are not, I am telling you it in India, it's happened. It is just already is happening whole world. So now you understand what is the importance of medical record officer in the hospital. No doubt, I discussed so many times you have now. Medical record officer, it may be the right hand of the administrator of board of authority. Because what the instruction has been given by the administrator of the hospital, it is just followed by the medical record officer. What information is required to them, he can ask to complete through the medical record officer. That's I told you the medical record officer is administrative in nature too. Because as per the admission of the medical department is only possible, the administrative medical record which will be there. He can administrate his own department and can get all the assistance from the department of medical record those who are working. Because just administrative knowledge is not there, he cannot administer over the medical record officer, medical record department. So that's why I'm telling you, you are here and just you can understand what is the importance of hospital aesthetic. It is also part of the medical record department. You have to get the rich knowledge as far as the medical record of a hospital aesthetics is concerned. I told you the financial aesthetics is very essential, but it is for the hospital aesthetics. Like as far as the medical aesthetics is concerned, it is responsible only to the medical record officer who compiles these all, who evaluates the things and what is the current position. He also told the administration of. भाई समझ में आया भाई, मैं इतना बोल गया। मन का आप क्या समझी? मन का सुरेश भाई, हेलो मनीषा, मनीषा, हाँ क्या समझी? अपने शब्दों में बताना, सब लोगों को अपने अपने शब्दों में बताना जो मैंने बताया है। मनीषा आप बताएं।
जी सर।
हेलो मनीषा
जी सर। सर
बताइए।
सर
अभी डोंट हेजिटेट, कुछ भी नहीं, जो भी आप बता पाए बताएं, सबको जो भी बता सकते हैं बताएं।
जी सर। सर वो मेडिकल परफॉर्मेंस के लिए जो प्रोफेशनल परफॉर्मेंस होते हैं उनको ग्रेटली मतलब और ज़्यादा अच्छा करने के लिए कॉन्फ्रेंसेस कराई जाती हैं, क्योंकि मतलब सारे मेडिकल स्टाफ वहाँ पे कॉन्फ्रेंस में आते हैं और उनको सिखाया जाता है फॉर टीचिंग के लिए, और क्या क्या एवोल्यूशन कर सकते हैं वो मेडिकल को मतलब स्टाफ को और अच्छा बनाने के लिए। दे आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन द कंपाइलिंग रिपोर्ट फॉर एक्रेडिटिंग एंड।
हम्म। मन
और
का आप
सर
क्या बताएंगे? हाँ हाँ, मनीषा क्या बता रही थी? और हेलो मनीषा,
जी सर, जी सर।
और क्या बता रही थी?
सर सर और सर वो मेडिकल स्टाफ मतलब मेडिकल्स में कैसा वर्क चल रहा है उसको देखने के लिए वो कंपाइलिंग रिपोर्ट्स एंड एक्रेडिटिंग एजेंसीज से सारी इंफॉर्मेशन लेते हैं, कम्युनिटी एजेंसीज वगैरह से, कि जो एवोल्यूशन है वो किस टाइप से हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है।
अच्छा ठीक है, मन का आप बताएं। मन का,
यस सर।
आप बताइए।
हाँ सर, एक्चुअली
You
नेट
have
का
to
इशू था
explain
तो
in more
हाफ
words.
लेक्चर मिस हो गया।
हैं?
मतलब सर नेट का इशू था तो आप जो पढ़ा रहे थे तो सर सर दे आर ऑल्सो यूज्ड, इनके बाद से आपने जो बताया है वो मिस्ड हो गया है।
अच्छा कोई बात नहीं। नैन्सी आप बताएं। नैन्सी।
यस सर, बता रही हूँ।
हम्म। काजल आप तैयार रहिएगा। आकृति।
सर ये कलेक्शन होता है सर स्टैटिकल डाटा का, सर इसके उससे सर हम देखते हैं कि सर हॉस्पिटल को इसके लिए सर क्या चीजें इफेक्टिव है और क्या उसको मतलब सर एक्सपेंड कर सकती हैं। सर उसकी जो प्रोफेशनल परफॉर्मेंस है हम उसको देखने के बाद, उसको वो करने के बाद हम चीजें बढ़ा सकते हैं सर, इवेल्युएट कर सकते हैं सर क्या चीजें सर, क्या मटेरियल चाहिए हॉस्पिटल को वो करने के लिए, और सर किस तरीके से मेडिकल स्टाफ की कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर सकते हैं, उनको टीच कर सकते हैं, उनको उस हिसाब से वो कर सकते हैं।
नहीं, मैंने जो खास बात बताई है वो खास बात ये है
यस।
कि ये जो मेडिकल स्टडी हॉस्पिटल स्टैटिक्स है, वो मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर्स के लिए वेरी जरूरी है कि मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर ही ये प्रिपेयर करता है, because he is a well known and well qualified. Whenever I discuss as per the qualified medical record officer, no doubt there is a type of a medical record officer is there वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव नॉलेज भी रखता है और एजुकेशन मेडिकल नॉलेज भी रखता है। और जब वो मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर का उससे अच्छा एवोल्यूशन भी मेडिकल स्टैटिक्स की नहीं करता है। मेरे कहने का मतलब है कि जो मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड साइंस जैसे आई एम टीचिंग यू, all the information is related with the medical care and it is to be done only by the medical record officer. Yeah, medical record personnel just like you. You can evaluate, you can compile all the information related with the medical care of the patient. तो आप मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि as per a your liability is increased if you are posted in the hospital as per the medical care is concerned, because everything has to be analyzed on the basis of a hospital or medical statistics. If you are well known as per the hospital statistics and medical statistics is concerned, no doubt you will be the successful medical record officer of the hospital and can also to the helpful to the administrator, because the administrator is also very curious as far as your quality of administration, as per what is the quality of and ability of just to find out the medical statistics accurately or not. These all the things depend upon the rich on related to medical statistics. No doubt you have a very good knowledge as per the medical care which I discussed. लेकिन important is this कि you have to be very careful about the medical statistics. The medical statistics only based just to calculate the things which happened in future, which is happening today, which would be happen tomorrow. The three types of medical statistics are together by the hospital. What happened as per the medical treatment yesterday, what is happening today with the treatment. Whenever I say that what is happening today, it means how many patients are admitted today, how many patients were treated in the orthopedic department, how much in medicine department, how many in the organics department, how many in ENT department. This is current situation of today. And same thing what happened in these department is today. It is also just been known by the hospital and medical static. And you just presume the information which is today, what will be the information tomorrow in the hospital as far as the patient is concerned. So these are the things very important for you. The medical record officer is a no doubt very important person as far as the administration, as far as to provide the help to the administrator. So these are the things I'm discussing in detail. What is the medical static? What is the hospital static? What is the financial static? Now ये आप लोगों को अच्छी तरह समझ में आएगा कि मेडिकल स्टैटिक और हॉस्पिटल फाइनेंशियल स्टैटिक्स से आप लोगों को ज़्यादा आपको मतलब नहीं है एज ए मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर बिकॉज यू आर कंसर्न विद मेडिकल स्टैटिक. आप थोड़ा सा ध्यान भी मैं भी इसीलिए इस चैप्टर को थोड़ा डिटेल में करना चाहते हैं कि जब तक आप हॉस्पिटल मेडिकल स्टैटिक्स के बारे में नहीं जानेंगे तब तक आप अच्छे मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड ऑफिसर्स नहीं हो सकते, मेडिकल रिकॉर्ड पर्सनल नहीं हो सकते. डोंट थिंक विद डायरेक्टर यू विल बी देयर because if you get the chance as a medical record personnel and experience make you after getting the job as a medical record personnel in the hospital concern, no doubt gradually and gradually with your experience as well as a prompt response of just to know the medical knowledge, you can be also good at maybe the medical record officer. Medical record personnel will also be there, but that will be 10. But gradually and gradually, you may be the medical record officers. These all the things depends upon the experiences and knowledges. Because whenever I say to just after getting the degree of this hospital administration, you may be the medical record personnel, or maybe the any type of person of the hospital as far as the hospital employees is concerned, can be given any important services by the administrator also. No doubt if you are having a good knowledge, has degree of medical records, no doubt you will be related with the medical records. And this medical records will also be very important for you, and your capability will also be increased after getting the experiences as well as your prompt reply as far as the medical treatment is concerned. That will make you a medical record officer. भाई समझ गए? क्यों भाई समझे कि नहीं? हेलो?
यस सर. यस सर. यस
Yes,
सर.
आप
sir.
जरा जो मैंने लिखा है हो सकता है कि मैं थोड़ा जल्दी में बोल गया हूँ, आप लोग पढ़िएगा ठीक से, ठीक है?
Sure, sir.
आकृति
यस सर.
पढ़िएगा. नैन्सी,
Yes, sir.
काजल,
यस सर.
मनका,
Yes, sir.
मनीषा, मनीषा अच्छा ठीक है, आप लोग जो मैंने नोट्स दिए हैं अच्छी तरह पढ़िएगा, and you try, just I've given also, just given your attention towards the what I told you. It is very important to you because when you correlate with the which I have given notes on the dictation and also what I told you in my lectures, it should be collaborated and should make another side note, which I always use emphasis over the side note. Then you will be capable to give my answers. ठीक है, सब लोग समझ गए? मेरा आंसर तभी दे पाओगे जब आज को मिला के कोरिलेट करके, जब आप नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स में होंगे। अच्छा, नेक्स्ट लेक्चर्स का मतलब ये है कि मंडे को होगा, क्यों भाई?
यस सर।
यस सर।
मंडे को मैं फिर क्लास ये नहीं लूंगा ना, ठीक है? आज बता दे रहा हूँ, तब तक आप तैयारी कर लीजिएगा।
ओके
सर
सर।
नेक्स्ट क्लास आपकी
को लेंगे
ट्यूसडे होगी।
एपिडेमोलॉजी की 302।
श्योर सर।
हाँ, तो आज कुछ समझ में आया कि नहीं?
यस सर।
सबको आ गया?
यस सर।
हाँ, तो ठीक है, सबसे मैं फिर नेक्स्ट यानी नेक्स्ट वेडनेसडे को नहीं, कब पूछेंगे?
ट्यूसडे सर, ट्यूसडे।
ट्यूसडे को 302 होगा ना?
यस सर।
मंडे को
सो
लेंगे
303 सर नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे।
हाँ, नेक्स्ट फ्राइडे को। तब तक बहुत समय है, थोड़ी अच्छा पढ़ लेना, क्यों मैं आज एग्जाम पेपर में पढ़ रहा था कि जुलाई में पेपर हो सकते हैं, जुलाई में देख लेना क्या है, आई एम नॉट कंफर्म, but you have to cautious what I'm telling you. Now get the your revision what you taught, because you are having too much time just to revise the things, and can be a very good, because when the if university opens, then I will just also see your books, notebooks में original and side notes, ठीक है? और भी टेस्ट भी शुरू कर देंगे बहुत जल्दी जल्दी, टेस्ट भी कैरी ऑन कर देंगे, इसकी तैयारी पूरी रखो, ठीक है? रखोगे भाई?
यस सर।
सर
हाँ ठीक है, फिर अब भी ठीक है, फिर हम लोग ट्यूसडे को मिलेंगे।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
ओके।
सर